Hello, how it goes. It's going to be my first time doing it, so I really appreciate your patience while we go through the video. So anyway, jumping into things, today I'm going to be speaking about how to, three different ways to finance your cottage or vacation property. I'm in Huntsville, and I have helped many people set up mortgages and buy homes in this area, whether it is as a cottage or a vacation property, or perhaps a rental property, or a little bit of everything. For example, you're buying a cottage that you want to rent out while you are, not using it, so you can make some of the money back. So when you do use it, you're not really paying much for it because the rent is covering the mortgage. So the first main way to finance a cottage or vacation property is simply to have the down payment ready to go. And there's a couple different ways you can finance it. You can get a standard regular mortgage with 20% down, and as long as you have that 20% down, then you'll be able to get a mortgage pretty easily, and the bank will not charge any insurance or anything on that mortgage. Or you can actually go in with 5% down on your vacation property purchase or a cottage property and get it done through CMHC, just as you would your first time home. And a lot of people don't think that is available, but you can do 5% on a vacation or cottage home. There are a little more rules that the mortgage broker you're dealing with will have to work with, but it is most definitely possible. The second way you can finance your vacation home is by simply remortgaging your current home. If you already own your own home, then you can remortgage your existing mortgage on your home and leverage your equity, take out that down payment that you would need, and then get a mortgage on your cottage. And then this will essentially allow you to buy your cottage without any of your own money, which is the way 90% of my clients do it. I gotta be honest. They just remortgage their home, so they have one mortgage on their current home and one mortgage on their cottage, and just two payments. It's simple, and they don't even have to come up with their own money up front. The third way you can finance your cottage would be, if you have a mortgage already and you own your own home and you have some equity, perhaps you would get a line of credit instead, a secured line of credit. It's called a home equity line of credit. The benefit of going this direction is that it gives you the ability to use the money when you find that cottage property. Whereas remortgaging would be better if you were to find that cottage property and have it ready to go so you can lock in both mortgages. The line of credit, you take out that down payment when you have it ready, when you've found that cottage, and you borrow and you pay for it only when you need it. And that's also a third way to finance your cottage property. Anyway, there's a lot of different options available. They all have their pros and cons. And with regards to your specific situation, you may have some unique circumstances that I would recommend 1, 2, or 3. So I would suggest, if you're looking into getting a cottage property sometime, why not get a pre-approval for a cottage? Give me a call or give me an email or text. I'd be happy to work with you on your mortgage. Most clients actually don't phone anymore. It seems that the phone app is going out of style, so feel free to text me or email me and we can get things started that way. And we can get you a cottage pre-approval, or I can essentially walk you through the steps to get into that cottage or vacation property. And we can make a plan even 1 or 2 years down the road. Again, this is Joe Bladek, mortgage broker, specifically out of Barrie. and also have offices in Mississauga and Huntsville. And we're in Huntsville today, beautiful weather, talking about 3 different ways to finance cottage properties. I hope you have found this video enjoyable, and I thank you all for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below, and I'd be happy to get back to you. Have a great day, everybody.